Now moving on, exercise 1.3, question number 7. Before this, I want to discuss with you some basic things which you should know. Suppose in a maths class test, there are total 10 questions which you have to attempt. Out of these 10 questions, you have attempt 6 questions correct. Okay, 6 question is correct, and you have done incorrect, suppose 5 question, 4, then 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Okay, then for each correct answer there are, for each correct answer there is suppose 2 marks. Suppose, okay, supposingly we are taking each question carries 2 marks, each correct answer. So here 6 correct answers, how much marks will you score here? One correct question carries 2 marks, so 6 correct questions, 6 into 2, then how many total marks are you getting here? 12. Okay, then each incorrect answer carries here -3. -3 marks are awarded for each incorrect answer. So here how many total incorrect answer? 4. That's why here 4 into -3, isn't it? These 4 questions you have done wrong, and this -3 for each incorrect answer. Okay, so 4 into 3 gives us 12, plus minus 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 12. In this way we have to, in this way and this method only we are going to use in question number 7. Here what is the marks criteria? Here marks awarded for every correct answer is 5 marks. Each correct questions carries 5 marks. For incorrect answer, -2 marks. Each incorrect answer carries -2 marks. For questions not attempted, 0 marks. Mohan gets 4 correct answer. Each correct answer carries 5 marks. So 4 correct answer, 4 into 5. And 6 incorrect answer. Each incorrect answer carries -2 marks. So 6 incorrect answer carry 6 into -2. So here total marks scored by Mohan, 4 is correct answer done by Mohan. 4 into 5, here 5 is the marks for each correct answer. Plus, why plus is here? Because out of 10 questions he got 4 correct answers. So out of 10, if 10 minus 4, so how many questions are left now? 6 questions. 4 questions he got correct. So how many questions he didn't know correctly? 6 questions. Then 4 plus 6 is equals to total 10 questions. 4 into 5, why 5? Because each correct question carries 5 marks. And 6 into -2, why -2? Because -2 marks is awarded for each incorrect answer. That's why here 4 into 5, 20. This plus will be as it is. I'm sure that you have understood from where this plus came. Okay. Then plus minus minus, 6 into 2, 12. Then 20 as it is, plus minus minus, after opening this bracket, 12 will be as it is. 20 minus 12 gives us 8.